Welcome everyone to another AIOH webinar series. Before we begin, a couple of housekeeping announcements. Your home screen should look something like this with the presentations appearing on the left and some interactive elements on the right. Feel free to customize them using the diagonal arrow on screen. During the webinar, please chat with other attendees or submit a question for the presenter using the chat tab. If we run any live polls, a pop-up will appear in the polls section and you'll be able to participate and submit your answers. If the presenters have made available any handouts or notes, you'd be able to download them under the Handouts tab anytime during the webinar. If for some reason you are unable to complete the webinar or have to leave halfway, we will send through a full recording of the session post the event. For now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the webinar, which will begin shortly.